Hello everyone and welcome to your online class OpenOffice Writer 2nd, and now today we are going to learn about the spelling and grammar check feature of OpenOffice Writer. You can see that I have written some text here, one paragraph I have written in which I have defined that how you can check the spelling and grammar. There are two options how you can check the spelling and grammar in OpenOffice Writer. Whenever you go and write a paragraph, whatever you have written, you can do one thing before starting the writing the paragraph. You can auto spell check with the help of standard toolbar. You can go to the standard toolbar and click on this auto spell check feature, and then you begin the writing. So whenever you will write any you can say inappropriate word, or which is in which the grammar and spelling is incorrect, the writer is going to give you the options to correct it, and you can select that options and you can easily correct it. For example, that suppose I have switched on this auto spell check feature, and now I am writing here that word processing is an application software. Alright, so you can see that whatever word I have written which is incorrect, it will give you the suggestion. You can just do a right click and you can select from the particular list whatever you want to do. If you want to do it auto correct, you can also do it. I'll talk about the auto correct feature in some time. Now let's select here word. So you can see if I select word, it will automatically be corrected, and then if I will write here processing, you can just click on the details. So this is the auto correct auto spell check which will be on, and it will start giving you the suggestions. Now suppose if you forgotten to do it, and now you have already written the whole paragraph and you want that I should check for the spelling and grammar if it is incorrect or not. So you can go to the tools menu. You can see here, you can go to the tools menu, click on the spelling and grammar check, and then you can do it. So suppose let me do some, you can say, changes here wherein it will give us the error. Alright, so suppose I have done here like this. Now I'm clicking, just you have to bring your cursor here, go to the tools menu, click on spelling and grammar, or you can simply press F7 also. It is a function key, shortcut key of spell and grammar check. Click on this and you can see that it will one by one start giving you the suggestion. So the first spelling the writer got wrong is this word which is underlined. So you can see here that it is not in the dictionary and it is not a correct spelling, so it is giving you the suggestion to change it. You can click on spelling here, whatever you want, just click on change here, it will be changed. And then it didn't get any other word wrong, so it has not given you the suggestion. Now whenever you do any kind of you can say incorrect thing, or and one more thing, whenever you try to do any you can say change or do a spell check, it will change or give you the suggestion according to the dictionary which is available inside the writer. If it is not available in the writer, if the suppose if you have written the spelling word incorrect and it is again the same which is you are knowing that this is incorrect, but this spelling is also present in the dictionary of the OpenOffice Writer, so that time it is not going to give you the error. For example, you can see that I have also make the correction here, drop down I have done here dawn, but it has not given, the writer has not given us the error here. It has only given us the error here in this spelling word. So that totally depends upon the dictionary which is being used with the software. Alright, let's see that how autocorrect feature of this OpenOffice Writer works. So we'll go to the tools menu again, and then let's see that there are autocorrect options at the third last, and then I have clicked it. Now you can see that many options are already given and the changed value is also given. So what does this autocorrect feature basically mean? Autocorrect, it is one of the feature which is given by OpenOffice Writer and MS Word also, which automatically changes the word when you press a space bar. So whenever you write a particular word and press space bar, you must have noticed that it automatically, the word is automatically changed. It happens in mobile also when we are using the keyboard of the mobile while writing the message. Whenever you just type a word and press space bar, it automatically changes. So you can add few words here which you want that it should be auto corrected, because I have a habit of writing it wrong every time. So you can do it. For example, let's let's enter some new word and then try to do it. How we will add a new word? First of all, we will just write here. Now suppose if I have written here MAT, and then now suppose I'll write here MATH, and then I have added here MAT and MATH. Now I'll do it. Okay, now let's write this mat. You can see that I have written mat, but once I have pressed space bar, it is automatically changed to math. So this is how the autocorrect feature works in OpenOffice Writer. You can add any word whichever you want. You can add your name also if you are doing it incorrect. Suppose I am writing the name every time I am writing Shafez and I am writing it incorrect, so you want that it should be correct. Suppose I have written Shafez like this, every time I have to write in small letter, but I want it should be replaced like this. Alright, so I have written Shafez in small case, and then I have here done the capital. I have used the capital letter, so I am adding it here, new, it is added. Now suppose whenever in our document I will be writing that suppose I study in SHAHFAIZ. You can see now that I have written all in small case, right? It is giving me the error also that it's not present in the dictionary. However, when you will press space bar, it will automatically change. You can see once I have pressed space bar, it has changed to my corrected word. So this is how the autocorrect feature works. So students, I have told you that how you can do a spell check by auto spell check feature, and you can go to the tools menu also and check the spelling of your entire document after writing it. And also you can use the autocorrect feature of the spell check, which is very helpful if you forgot or if you make mistake for writing a particular word every time whenever you work. So you can add it to a autocorrect feature, and you can use the help of autocorrect that it automatically corrects your document or the text inside your document whatever you write wrong every time. Now practice all these things at home. If you have any problem, get back to me. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you so much.